Why are the Hemlock developments selling so fast? It simply comes down to location. 7-minute drive to the ski hill, walking distance is downtown, and right across the street from the Southside Market. It's Russell Mortlock here with The Real Broker, and if you're looking to buy or sell property in Revelstoke, you can reach out to me directly. And if you're someone that's looking for the 3 best real estate investments currently right now in Revelstoke, drop the comment home below and I'll send them to you directly. We're inside the Hemlock development here, where this is a world-class design where style, functionality, and location all come together into one. As you can see, as we're coming through the kitchen here, you got some really high-end appliances with this beautiful modern cabinetry, and then we got this wicked quartz countertop to go with a bit of a funky backsplash that really just ties it all together into one. A really key feature that makes the Hemlock development so different is these grade level entry townhomes. These are literally the only ones that exist here in Revelstoke, where you can enter the property right into the kitchen onto the main floor here. A few extra details that we went the extra mile here in the Hemlock development is our HVAC systems. Chris, our developer, spent months confirming things with engineers and making sure that we had the best heating and cooling system here that you're gonna see. So a key detail that's often overlooked in new construction projects is the closet space. So that's one step that we did not skip here in the Hemlock. You got some really nice closets in every one of the floor plans. When Chris, the developer, was thinking about who are these homes for here in Revelstoke, we really wanted to focus on where are people going to store their bikes, their skis, and their snowboards. So this space here in this floor plan is perfectly designed so you can have a workshop here, you can store some skis, some bikes, some snowboards, so it's well thought out. Even though we're in a strata property here, we've really kept in mind who are the people of Revelstoke and what are they looking to do outside of their home. I've access to discounted pricing and special incentives here inside the Hemlock development. So if you're someone that wants more information on what the remaining units are, or to hear about some of these special promotions that we're offering, you want to reach out to me directly. There's going to be a link in the calendar there that you can go and book directly with me. And if you're a real estate investor and you're looking for the top 3 investments to make here in Revelstoke, drop a comment down below saying home, and I'll send you a list of the best investments to make here in Revelstoke.